How to add connections on repurpose.io.
In order to do that, head over right here to our connection. Click on this add new connection right here and then just choose the connection that you want. For example, right here, let's choose your Facebook right here. And then in here, click on this right here if you want to upgrade. You can also choose another connection, for example, YouTube right here. And then on this right here, you can name this connection. It can be an advanced, it can be a standard, or it can also be something like read only right here. So head over and connect your YouTube from in there, and then it will direct you to a new page wherein you can sign in your Google account. Click on this right here on your Google account in order to actually get your video or the channel that you want to repurpose some content into. So let's just wait for this right here. And then as you can see, this will load your previous page in order to add this. As you can see right now, we have in here the source, and when you click on this, it will be the source for our actual connection. And when you click on our destination, we also have this destination. Now let's head over right here to our workflow. And then from in there, you should be able to see this create new workflow. Click on this right here in order to create the workflow that you want in order to repurpose your actual content on your YouTube or any sources that you have.
So that's how you add connections on repurpose.io.